In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Deviation Trend Profile in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame you prefer. Once your chart is on the screen, look towards the top of the interface for the Indicators button. This is usually located near the top toolbar above your chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where we'll search for and apply the Deviation Trend Profile to your chart. When you click Indicators, a new window or panel will pop up. At the very top of this panel, you'll see a search box. Click directly on that search box so you can type in the name of the indicator. This search bar is the fastest way to find what you need, especially when there are thousands of built-in and community indicators available. Now, in the search box, start typing Deviation Trend Profile. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the list of indicators below. Be patient for a second while the suggestions update. When you see Deviation Trend Profile appear in the list, simply click on it once. As soon as you do, the indicator will be added directly onto your chart. You should now see new lines, bands, or profiles overlaid on your price chart, depending on how this particular indicator is designed. If nothing appears right away, double check that you selected the correct indicator name and make sure your chart is not zoomed in too far or too far out. Sometimes adjusting the zoom will make the indicator display more clearly. Once the deviation trend profile is visible, you can customize it if you like. To do that, hover your mouse over the indicator's name on the chart or in the legend area and click on the settings or gear icon. Here, you'll be able to tweak things like colors, line thickness, and sometimes the calculation parameters, depending on how the script was created. Adjust these until the indicator is easy for you to read and matches your overall chart style. Finally, if you don't already have TradingView Pro, remember that there may be an affiliate link in the video description that you can use to sign up. Using that link can give you access to the full feature set of TradingView Pro, which often includes better performance, more indicators on a single chart, and additional tools that make using indicators like Deviation Trend Profile much smoother and more powerful.